Hey guys, it's been like a minute since I baked cake on this channel. So this is me baking a cake for my customers. So if you don't know, I bake as a side hustle. So before I get started into this cake, let me welcome you all to my channel. This is your passionate food lover and you're most welcome. Please do well to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. For this, I'm going to need 1 cup of margarine or butter or 250 grams of margarine. I'm just going to whisk this around till everything is fluffy, pale, light and fluffy. And into this, I'm going to add 2 cups of granulated sugar. Make sure that everything is well incorporated before adding in the next ingredient. So it's important that you scrape down your bowl as you go so that every part of your margarine is well incorporated. So guys, we are almost at 1K subscribers. Can you believe it? I remember when I started this channel, I had just 4 subscribers. Just 4. And now, look at God. I mean, just look at God. Thank you all so much. Now that everything is well incorporated, I'm just going to add 4 eggs into my butter, adding it gradually, making sure that each one is well incorporated before adding the next one. So instead of adding vanilla to my cake, I'm just going to add lemon juice and a little bit of the peel of lemon. They call it lemon zest or something. I'm not really sure, but that's what I'm going for. I'm not going to add vanilla, but rather I want my cake to have this lemony taste. Yes, because I'm going to fill my cake with lemon curd. You're going to see that in a few minutes. Now that everything is well incorporated, I'm going to add a total of 4 cups of flour, cake flour, but I'm going to add it gradually. So the first batch I added 2 cups of flour, and whilst mixing, I'm adding in a half cup of milk. And then right now I'm adding the other 2 cups of flour, and to this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a half or just a pinch of salt to make sure that everything is balanced. The list of ingredients will be listed in my description box below, so don't worry. So in total I added 4 cups of flour with 2 cups of sugar and then 1 cup of milk. So one trick that I learned is that when you're baking a large batch of cake, instead of going in straight away with your hand mixer, you just without turning it on, just make sure that you move everything around so that you do not have flour all over your face, in your kitchen and all over yourself. So now that everything is well incorporated, I'm just going ahead with my spatula to scrape down the sides of my bowl to make sure that everything is really incorporated. I'm just going to divide my butter into three different cake pans that are already dusted with flour to make sure that my cake comes out easily. So this is me pouring my cake batter into my already prepared pan. This will go into an already or a preheated oven for about 30 to 45 minutes or till a toothpick comes out clean. And while that is baking, let's work on our filling. So like I said, I'm going for a lemony kind of cake. So I'm just going to prepare lemon curd. This is just a simple filling made out of lemon, sugar and some eggs. It's just the simple way you go. So in total I'm going to use 3 eggs, about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and then about a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. In a large mixing bowl, I'm just going to mix around my eggs till everything is fluffy, including my sugar. You can use your hand mixer, but I wanted to flex my muscles. So I just used my hand to mix it around, and then I transferred it to a bowl or a container that can be used on fire, and into this I added my lemon juice. Now guys, this cooks or thickens really fast, so you make sure that you are scraping down the sides of your bowl and the bottom of your bowl while stirring, because you do not want to burn it. And then after some few minutes it thickens up, and then you're ready to use your lemon curd. Now I'll turn off the heat and I'm going to add about a tablespoon of margarine. If you have butter, you can also use butter, and then work it around till it melts completely. Your filling completely cools down before using it. And now it's time for me to assemble my cake. Okay guys, so it's the next day and I'm doing the voiceover. So I just decided that I would do a get to know me tag. So my full name is Shirley Mensah. That's my YouTube channel's name. I'm a university graduate and I bake as a side hustle. I learned to bake on my own, so I'm a self-taught baker. I love being in the kitchen. I love cooking. Cooking is more like a therapeutic thing for me. So instead of paying to go to therapy or for therapy, I just enter the kitchen and I'm free. Um, I work casually at an institution that I'm not going to name now, but that's what I do. And as a side hustle, I bake. So if you're in Ghana, especially Kumasi, and you need a baker, please contact me on Instagram and let's get interactive. So I'm 20 something years old. I'm a Christian. If I'm not in the kitchen, I'm either watching movies or I'm asleep. Child, you catch me asleep more than you catch me awake because I really love sleeping. I enjoy sleeping. I mean, what would I rather do? Sit there idle? I'll sleep. Yes, I feel like there's more about me that I cannot really incorporate into this video. So if you would want to get to know me, leave a comment section down below, and then for my year on YouTube video, I would answer all those questions. So guys, I think that would be the end of get to know me time. If there's more, like I said, leave a comment and I'll answer it. So for the cake design, I went for something like the sky. The person is a guy, and then he wanted a blue cake. Yeah, because obviously guys love blue, green, those colors. So I decided to go for more like a sky, um, semi-finished look of a cake. It was not completely edgy, but I wanted like a semi-finished look, more like you look at it and then it reminds you of the sky. So that's basically it. I can't cut this cake because it's for someone, but thank you all so much for staying with me to the end of the video. Please do well to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.